Hi everyone, welcome to the linear programming series. So we are doing the graphical method, and in graphical method we have started the farmers or environment problems. So we have completed the three examples. Now we are doing the fourth example. So let's see the how this question will be solved, and it is a very interesting question and almost similar to the previous one, but different from the rest one. That is. The question is saying there is a fruit grower who can use the fertilizer in his garden of brand P and brand Q. Means there is a grower who use the fertilizer of brand P and Q. The amount of nitrogen, phosphoric acid, potassium, chlorine in a bag of each brand are given in the table. It means the in the brand P there is a 3 unit nitrogen, 1 unit phosphoric acid, 3 unit potash, 1.5 unit chlorine. Similar in the brand Q. It is given to you. The test indicate that the garden need at least 240 kg of phosphoric acid. It means what? The test says that there is a need of at least 240 kg of phosphoric acid, 270 kg of potash, and 310 kg of chlorine. Now the question is asking that if the grower want to minimize the use of nitrogen, the grower want to minimize the use of nitrogen means वो nitrogen को minimize करना चाहता है. So how many bags of each brand should be he used, यानी वो कितने ब्रांड कितनी क्वांटिटी के बैग यूज करेगा दोनों ब्रांड के, एंड वो करने के बाद मिनिमम अमाउंट ऑफ नाइट्रोजन कितना होगा वो भी वी हैव टू फाइंड. सो let's see. The question is clear to you. There is a fruit grower who uses the two brand of P and Q. The units or the components of the brand P and Q is given to you, and the need of the garden is already given to you. So you have to find the minimum nitrogen quantity. So first we convert this table in a rectangular format, or you can say in the horizontal format, as we have done in the previous one. So now the question is easy for us. So I have converted the table in the rectangular or the you can say the vertical format, that is brand P and brand Q. Now what it is given to me, that the test says that there is at least need of 240 kg, 240 kg of phosphoric acid, 270 kg of potash, and 310 kg, at most 310 kg of chlorine. So you can see from here that it is given to, that is at least 240 kg of phosphoric acid, at least 270 kg of potash, and at most 310 kg of chlorine. So we have filled the table. So now we will make our constraint and the objective function. So you can say the question is asking about the nitrogen. So the nitrogen quantity will become our objective function, that is 3x plus 3.5y will be your objective function. Now to make the constant, we will use the phosphoric acid, potash and chlorine. Now for the phosphoric acid, the equation will become x plus 2y. Now at least means greater than equals to 240. So this is your equation first. Now for the second equation, the potash, it becomes 3x plus 1.5y, at least means greater than equals to 270. So this is your second equation, that is 3x plus 1.5y is greater than equals to 270. Now multiply the equation with the 10 so that the decimal will cut out. So you will get 30x plus 15y is greater than equals to 2700. Now you can say you can take the 5 common from the equation after taking 5 common, or you can say divide the both side with the 5. You will get 6x plus 3y is greater than equals to 40. Now after that, divide the both side with the 2. You will get 2x plus y is greater than equals to 180. You will get this equation. Now the chlorine, to make the chlorine equation, you will get the 1.5x plus 2y, at most means less than equals to 310. So you can see this is your third equation. Now again multiply first with the 10 to remove the decimal, and then take the common in the reduced form. You will get 3x plus 4y is less than equals to 620. So you get the three equation. Now to draw the graph of these equation, find the coordinates. So this is your first equation. So first consider x to be 0. You will get y is equals to 240 upon 2. Now again consider y to be 0. you will get x is equals to 240. For the second equation, this is your second equation. Consider x to be 0. You will get y is equals to 180. And when you consider y to be 0, you will get x to be 180 upon 2. Similarly, for the third coordinate, that is when x to be 0, you will get y to be 620 upon 4. And when you consider y to be 0, you will get x is equal to 620 upon 3, and x and y should be greater than equals to 0. These are our non-zeros. So to draw the graph of these equation, I have considered the graph on the 30 units distance. So the first is 120, 0, 120 and 240, 0. So 0, 120 will lie on the y-axis. So 0, 120 over here, and 240, 0 will lie on the x-axis. So it means pink line showing the graph of the first equation. Then second is what? 0, 180 and 90, 0. So 0, 180 over here and 90, 0 on the x-axis. So green line showing the equation second. Now the third, the blue line showing you the third equation. So in this way you will get the graph of the equation. Now we will find the shaded area. So your first equation is x plus 2y is greater than equals to 240. It means you have to find the shaded region. So pink line is your first equation graph. So I'm considering the left side point, that is at the origin. At the origin x and y is 0, so I will get x plus 2y to be 0. Then is it true? No, it is not true. It means on the pink line I will draw the upward point, or you can say opposite to the origin. For the second equation is 2x plus y is greater than equals to 180. So it is greater than equals to 180. Again, the green line showing the second equation graph. So at the origin, x and y is 0. So if I put x and y 0, is it true? No. So it means again the green line graph will be in the upward direction or opposite to the origin. Then for the third equation, the graph is 3x plus 4y is less than 620. So it is less than 620. So blue line showing the graph of the third equation. So consider x and y to be 0. You will get x y 0. When you put x and y 0, you will get 0. If it is less than 620, it means it satisfies the equation. It means towards the origin. It means draw the arrow towards the origin. And when you find the common region, you will get this is the common region of all the arrows. So now I am removing the color line so that you will get the graph to be clear. So you can see this is the shaded area of the three line, or the common area of the three line. So now this is the boundary region. So keep the corner point, that is A, B and C. These are your corner points. So shaded area ABC is the feasible region which is bounded. Now what you have to do, you have to find these corner points. So to find this corner point, the A point is what? A point is the intersection of this line and this line. 3x plus 4y is equals to 620. So by solving these two equation, you can see A point is the intersection of these two lines. By solving these two equation by elimination or substitution, you will get x and y, that is 20, 40. Similarly, B coordinate is the intersection of that line, that is 3x plus 4y is equals to 620, and the second line is x plus 2y is equals to 240. By solving these two equations, you will get x and y to be 150, 140, 50. C coordinate is the intersection of this, that is this line, and x plus 2y is 240. So by solving these two equations, so that you will get the x and y to be 40, 20. The C coordinate, A coordinate and B coordinate you know. Now draw the table, that is the corner point is ABC. So A coordinate is 20, 40, B is 140, 50 and C coordinate is 40, 100. So your Z is 3x plus 3.5y. Now put the values of x and y respectively. So in the A coordinate, the x is 20 and y is 140. So put x is 20 and y is 140, you will get 550. Similarly, in the B, the x is 140 and y is 50. You will get 595. Similarly, at C, the x is 40 and y is 100. So put this in the Z, you will get the 470. Now the question is asking the minimum Z. So minimum Z is what you can see over here at the 470 at point C. So a minimum Z is 470 at point C. It means what? The minimum quantity of nitrogen you will get is 470 when you mix the brand P quantity to be 40. When you make the 40 bags of brand P and 40 bags of brand and 100 bags of brand Q. So 40 bags of brand P and 100 bags of brand Q, when you use, you will get the minimum quantity of the nitrogen, that is 470. So I hope this question is very clear to you and I hope you understood very well.